Welcome to all. In this video, we have to learn projection of solid in simple position. In your syllabus, we have to learn axis perpendicular to HP. First of all, we have to familiar with the different terminology used in solids. So there are different types of solids: square prism, square pyramid, cone, and cylinder. For square prism, they are the different parameters. So first of all, this part is called as a top face of an object, and this is called as a base of square prism. So this one is top face. This is called as a base. Okay. Now this portion represents rectangular surface. This one is called as a rectangular surface. Now these 4 points represents base corner. Again on top, these points represents top corner. An imaginary line passing through the top of face to the bottom of face, which is called as a axis. Now these points or this line indicates vertical edge. So they are the different parameters on square prism. Now regarding square pyramid, it is a plane surface which may be triangular, which may be square, which may be pentagonal, which may be hexagonal. It is bounded by the faces, which is called as a triangular surface or triangular face. This one lowermost part represents base. Again these 4 points represents corner, and then imaginary line passing through the center of base and it intersect the apex, which is called as an axis, topmost portion, which is called as an apex. Okay, so this is related to square pyramid. Now move on next, cone. Cone consisting of a base, which is called as a circle. It is intersected at one point at the top, which is called as a apex or vertex. Okay, an imaginary line passing through the apex and joining the center, which is called as a axis. Now these are all generators intersect at points which represents generators of a cone. This one is represents generators. So it is related to cone. Now next one, move on the cylinder. Again same, it consisting of 2 faces which are circle in base, and it is joined by the lines which is called as a generators of cylinders. An imaginary line passing through the top of the face of cylinder to the base of the cylinder, which is called as a axis of cylinder. So these are the different terminology related to the basic of projection of solid. Now consider that axis perpendicular to HP. What will be the position of all objects? We have to see in next part. Now move on. First object, that is square prism. Now consider that square prism, side of base 30 mm, and axis height 50 mm, side of base resting on HP. So what will be the position of front view and top view of square prism? So first of all, draw the top view when base is resting in HP. So here you will get square of side of base 30 mm. So first of all, draw a square in top view. Again here you will get front view of rectangle because it has given axis height. axis height is 50 mm. So this is initial position of square prism. How to give the names and dimension? Now here there are two base, top and base. So starting with bottom, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So bottom face, it represents 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and top it is represented by A, B, C, D. So this is the names. Again show the axis. And give the dimensions. Okay, so this is the simple position of square prism. Again second one, simple position of square pyramid. Now let us see problem. A square pyramid, side of base 30 mm and axis height 50 mm when side of base resting on HP. Okay, why we have to take the HP? Because in our syllabus all the solids consider that resting on HP. Again same, first of all draw the top view of an object. Here you will get square of side 30 mm. Now in pyramid, in top view, here you will get the triangular surface. So join the lines inside the square pyramid. After that, axis is given. Axis is 50 mm. So draw center line. And it is joined by the edge, which represents the front view of square pyramid. After that, give the names. It has plane surface is 1, so you can give name as well as letters. This represents axis of top view. Again in front view, give the names 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, O dash and S dash. It represents front view and this one represents top view. After that, okay. Now next, third object is cone. Let us see example. a cone base diameter 50 mm and axis side. Draw projection of cone when circumference of a base point resting on HP. So in that problem, first of all, draw a top view. In top view, draw a circle of diameter 50 mm. Again, divide this circle into 12 equal parts and take the projection of these points from top view to front view. In front view, you will get triangle by locating the axis 70 mm. Take the projection of all points from top view to front view. Axis is given. So this is the simple position of cone when circumference of a point resting in HP. Give the names and dimensions. And last one is cylinder. Fourth parameter is cylinder. Let us see a problem. A cylinder base diameter 50 mm and axis side 70 mm, circumference of a base of a cylinder resting in HP. So as usual, in top view you will get circle of diameter 50 mm and in front view you will get rectangle of axis side 70 mm. Take the projection of all points from front top view to front view. Axis is given, axis is 70 mm. So this is called as a generator. Give the names and dimension of cylinder. Here you want to give both the times because there are two base. $550 and dimension is 70. It represents front view and top view. Thank you.